Healing Meditation Words for Beginners of Meditation Chapter 2. 1. Vigilance is the abode of eternal life. Thoughtlessness is the abode of death. Those who are vigilant, who are given to reflection, do not die. The thoughtless are as if dead already. The wise who have clearly understood this reflectiveness delight in reflectiveness and rejoice in the knowledge of the Aryas. Their wise ones, meditative, persevering, always putting forth strenuous effort, attain to nirvana, the highest freedom and happiness. 2. If a person in reflective, if he rouses himself, if he is evermindful, if his deeds are pure, if he acts with consideration, if he is self-restrained and lives according to law, his glory will increase. 3. The wise man, by rousing himself, by vigilance, by restraint, by control, may make for himself an island which the flood cannot overwhelm. 4. Fools, men of inferior intelligence, fall into sloth. The wise man guards his vigilance as his best treasure. 5. Give not yourselves over to sloth or to the intimacy with lust and sensual pleasures. He who meditates with earnestness attains great joy. 6. When the wise man drives away sloth by strenuous effort, climbing the high tower of wisdom, he gazes sorrowless on the sorrowing crowd below. The wise person gazes on the fools even as one on the mountain peak gazes upon the dwellers on the plain below. 7. Earnest among the slothful, awake among the sleepy, the wise man advances even as a racehorse does, leaving behind the hack. 8. By vigilance did Indra rise to the lordship of the gods. People praise vigilance. Thoughtlessness is always deprecated. 9. A mendicant who delights in vigilance, who looks with fear on thoughtlessness, who sees danger in it, moves about like a fire consuming every bond, small or large. 10. A mendicant who delights in vigilance, who looks with fear on thoughtlessness, cannot fall away from his perfect state, but is close to nirvana.